Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's project is to remove carpet. We have hardwood floors underneath and we want to salvage it. So I already started doing the project and I'll show you how to remove it. So you want to go ahead and with a pair of pliers pull out one of the corners. It comes out very easy, and you see those strips, that's gonna be what's the hardest. So I'll show you how to go step by step. Make sure you pull out all the carpet at first, everywhere, very easy. Now the spad is actually stapled onto the wood, which is too bad because it's damaging the wood a little bit. But I'm gonna show you how to remove them with a regular flat screwdriver. You want to get under if you can, just like that. Actually, some of them you can remove them just by pulling them out. This one looks like it's pulling out with the same pliers. That's it, just that. See, they're pretty, they're not deep, they're very easy to remove. It's just a matter of removing them one at a time. So it's more like time consuming rather than anything. And then the wood will have to be refinished. See, there's a lot of them. So I'll show you one more time. Very easy. This one, bam, gone. Now, as far as the gripper, it's just held with nails every 5 inches or so. So what I'm gonna have to do is get under there, pull it out very slowly so I don't damage the wood. I would actually consider putting one of these under, which gives you more leverage. It allows you to, but you have to do it with your 2 hands, because I'm using one hand and holding my camera at the same time. But you really want to get under there and pull out the nails, which is what's gonna happen. See these holes right here? Then they'll need to be filled, and they have been filled in the past, I can see. So I'm just gonna take my whole day, remove all that, and then get a specialist, fill these holes and resand it. See, there's a few cracks in here that needs to be, they need to be filled up a little bit. But then the wood is beautiful, so it's just better than carpeting. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps. And come back and check out all the videos that I will be posting up soon. I have a few already on there. Thanks for watching. Take care.